We'll guide you through how to apply filter on VLC. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin the process, open the Windows Start menu on your computer system by clicking the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu appears, search for VLC Media Player using the search field provided so the application can be found quickly. After the search results are displayed, run the VLC Media Player application on your device by selecting it from a list. Once the software launches, a new floating window will be displayed on your screen, showing the main interface of VLC Media Player. To apply a filter on VLC, you must first open your video file. Hover your cursor to the top section of the application window and click Media from the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several playback and file management options. From this menu, select Open File to browse for the video you want to edit or enhance. Navigate to the location where your video is stored on your computer, choose the file carefully, and click Open. The selected video will begin playing automatically within VLC Media Player. After the video starts playing, hover your cursor to the top of the application again and click the Tools menu to access additional playback settings and visual customization features. A pop-up menu will appear containing several options related to video playback and adjustments. From this menu, click Effects and Filters to open the Advanced Video Adjustment window. A new dialog box will appear on your screen. Inside this dialog box, select Video Effects to access the available visual filter settings. Under the Essential tab, locate the option labeled Image Adjust and check the box beside it to enable manual video adjustments. Once enabled, you can begin modifying the visual appearance of the video according to your preferences. Adjust the hue setting to change the overall color tone, modify the brightness to make the image lighter or darker, and change the contrast to improve image depth. You can also adjust the saturation to control color intensity and modify the gamma setting to improve overall lighting balance. After configuring those options, check the box labeled Sharpen and adjust the sigma value to control the sharpening intensity. If necessary, you can also enable banding removal and activate film grain for additional visual effects. Once everything is configured correctly, click Save to apply the filter successfully.